looking at the equation y squared minus 2x equals 16, trying to answer the question, does the equation represent y as a function of x? So we should solve this thing for y. So add 2x to both sides. And then we square root both sides. And we see that y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 2x. So for each input x, any number that we put in here, we're going to get two different outputs, a positive one and a negative one. So this is a no, not a function, right? The definition of a function is that for each input, exactly one output. So if I wanted to find the x-intercepts of the graph of this thing, when you're on the x-axis, anywhere on the x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. So I replace the y with a 0 in this equation. And I end up solving for x, and I get x equals -8. So there's my x-intercept. And to find y-intercept or intercepts, when you're on the y-axis, anywhere on the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0. So I make the x 0, and I get y squared minus 2 times 0 equals 16. And I solve for y, and I get plus or minus 4. So I have two x-intercepts, plus and minus 4.